I gave AI a wild challenge. Build me 3 passive income streams from scratch. No team, no upfront product, just free AI tools and a laptop. The results, honestly, kind of wild and totally doable. But before you think I made thousands, let's be real. This was just an experiment to see what's actually possible in 7 days. Welcome to the AI Moneyverse, where tech meets cash flow. If you're looking for smarter, automated ways to earn online, you're exactly where you need to be. For testing power of AI and my skills, I gave myself just 7 days. The goal? Build 3 AI-powered passive income streams with zero upfront money and no physical products. But I wasn't aiming to get rich in a week, just to see what could realistically be built using AI tools anyone can access. This was a test, a starting point, and I wanted to check what worked, what flopped, and what's worth your time. Let's discuss it one by one. Stream 1, ebook publishing. For this, I kicked things off by asking Claude AI to write a punchy beginner guide titled Top AI-Powered Remote Jobs You Can Start Today. I gave it a detailed prompt outlining the tone, structure, and key topics I wanted to cover, making sure it was easy to follow for beginners and packed with actionable tips. Once I had the draft, I used Designer to format it into a clean, professional-looking ebook, and then created a scroll-stopping cover design with Kittle to give it a polished, high-quality feel. I uploaded it to Amazon KDP, where you can publish ebooks for free. I made sure to add an SEO-rich title and description to help it show up in Amazon searches. And here's the crazy part. It earned $25 in just 3 days. No printing, no shipping, just digital content that lives online and earns while I sleep. And remember, this was written, designed, and published using only AI. Stream 2, YouTube Shorts Automation. This one was fun and fast. I built a faceless YouTube Shorts channel focused on cool mobile apps and smart digital tools, just to test what AI can really do. For that experiment, I used Gemini by Google to write the scripts, Play HT for realistic AI voiceovers, and InVideo to bring it all together with engaging visuals. Everything was 100% AI-driven. I uploaded 5 shorts in the first week, and that test channel actually crossed 3,000 views, starting from 0 subscribers. That channel is growing steadily now, and more importantly, it gave me tons of insight into what actually works. That's why I created this channel, to share everything I learned from that experiment and build something even better right here, step by step. This is how I'm creating a channel that's faceless, fast, and future-ready. And if you're watching, you can do it too. Stream 3, AI Etsy Printables. I wanted to test a physical-ish product without actually making anything. Using Notion AI for content ideas and Vista Create for design, I created digital planners and affirmation cards, then listed them on Etsy. Sales were slow at first, but by day 6, I got my first order. Profit? Just $4.90. But here's the thing, once a product is up, it keeps selling. And more importantly, I didn't draw a single line. AI handled it all. This model is a long game. The more I list, the more potential it has. So, to summarize my experiment with AI in just 1 week, starting from scratch, I launched 3 real income streams using only AI. An ebook on Amazon KDP, which is now live and starting to generate sales. A growing YouTube Shorts channel, which is already attracting views and getting attention. And an Etsy shop where I made my first sale. But here's the thing, this wasn't just about setting up a quick side hustle. This was about testing a system, about putting these tools to the test and seeing just how much is possible in a short period with the right approach. Now, here's my final takeaway from this AI experiment. Did I get rich? No. But here's the truth, I didn't expect to. This wasn't about getting rich overnight. What I did was plant 3 seeds that now grow on their own, each with the potential to become something bigger. Each of these income streams is now self-sustaining, and over time they'll continue to grow, evolve, and compound. This experiment wasn't about fast money. It was about starting smart, laying the groundwork and proving that with AI, the barrier to entry has essentially vanished. No more waiting for weeks to build a product, no need for big upfront costs, and no technical expertise required. I did it all with a few AI tools and some creative thinking. This is the future of earning money online. It's about starting small, using the tools available, and scaling with time. Now imagine where this could be in 30 days, or even 90. Think about the possibilities. If I keep building on these foundations, more ebooks, more YouTube content, more products in my Etsy store, the growth potential is limitless. The best part? Anyone can do this. With the right mindset and tools, the same can be true for you. Want to see me scale one of these to $1,000 per month using only AI tools? Comment below, scale it, and tell me which stream to grow next. And if you're all about turning AI into income, hit that subscribe button to join the AI Moneyverse, where we don't just talk AI, we build with it together. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep crushing it.